So today we are building the PC. It's part 2 of building the unsuccessful PC from our previous part. So what are we opening right now is we did not even build a PC last time. This is the main component. It's called the motherboard. The data. How will it go? Oh, why my hands trembling? I don't know. So you put this in one coil. And you make sure it's tight. Then you put this in and then you screw it in like this. Very lefty easy. One chip is like bent, like can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
They sit in these holes.
Yeah.
Bruh.
And then successful! Yes, we did it! Oh my god, that was...
Yes, we did.
Close this. And when this doesn't fit the nuts, so it's okay. So this and this, hold it together. Okay. And
Screwing the fans on the opposite side of the panel. Say hi.
hi. Clean, it is brand new. He's given you. It's a deal, Chris. So this goes here. See, this goes here.
Yeah.
Then you see how many sockets you need. Then you see that this socket you require. See, you require this.
Yeah.
So you have to
Salad from. I'm not.
already done.
That she did. It was a thermal page. Very hungry.
I am starving. Temu.
It's my temu with all keyboards. She already showed me some colors.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Maybe because the lighting is not good, but if you put it, it's gonna be.
It's silent, right? Oh my god! Oh my god! So I also have the system to change the lights over here, which I'm gonna show y'all. So right now I have the single color, so I can just change it and all, or I can also do breathing, strobing. There's rainbows that turns multicolor. Then I don't know what this is, but and dark is basically black. So yeah. So this was the whole making PC video, and I hope you all liked the video. And I did had to change the keyboard because there were some issues. We had to fix me and my friend had to fix the RGB light connections, ARGB light connections again, because again there were issues, and after like scratching our brains we did it. So really proud of us, and thank you for watching.
She cannot come with, I just got a dip. Level up with me if you